Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Anthony here, back with another video. And if you're watching this video, most likely you're interested to see what's in this box I got standing next to me. And of course, by the title, this is the ZL1 1LE or ZL1 carbon fiber side skirts. So this is the last mod possibly you guys will be seeing being delivered, and this is by C7 Carbon. And no, I'm not sponsored by C7 Carbon. Based on all these boxes I've been getting, I'm just a damn fool and spending all my money with C7 Carbon to make the car look how I want it to be. So with that being said, enough of me talking, then let's get to me unboxing. Oh yeah, now it's time to get my favorite knife to do all my unboxing with. Oh yeah, now we back to handling business. There. Now, as I expected, it looks real good. Real good. And this is the passenger side. So, looks good. All the holes fits the OEM holes. We should be able to fit them just fine. And underneath, as I expected, the underneath shouldn't be carbon fiber, because that's where it's gonna get all the road grit and grime and stuff like that. So that looks pretty good. I assume the driver's side will look the same, so that's good. And since you all seen the side skirts, now I'm going to show you guys what the rear wing looks like, because I did get a chance to put the pillars on, so you guys can see what that looks like, and you can see what the splitter looked like from the whole kit, from what I bought, from the wing to the front splitter and with the side skirt, so you can see how it all matched together. It should match together. If it's not, they doing something wrong over there. So you see, this just one side skirt. I didn't unwrap the other one. I just want to unwrap one so you guys can see it. You see the passenger side, you know, the driver's side gonna look the same. This is the ZL1 1LE splitter, the first mod I received. I added these on here. They have the holes right there, the 3 holes that drills in on the side there to match the same as the identical one on the ZL1 1LE. And you got the big wing here too. And I don't know, can you see that? But just for me lifting it, it got so many fingerprints on there, so this is gonna be crazy to clean. But yeah, these are the mods so far. These are the ones I'll be installing soon. That's it. I pretty much wanted to just share that with you guys. You've seen the side skirts, you've seen all the unboxing videos, you see how they look. So if you decide to get some from C7 Carbon, this is how it will come, this is how it will look. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.